And we are getting a better picture of the Canadian real estate market this morning. Home sales edged up slightly from May to June, but not by much. Angie Seth has a look at the latest data from the Canadian Real Estate Association.
The Canadian Real Estate Association says home sales edged up just a mere 0.5% for the month of June, but coupled with the big increase in May of 5.5% and the gains in April, the second quarter sales are up from what we saw in the winter. CREA's economists say that over the last 4 years, we have seen a weak housing market in Ontario and British Columbia and hot markets everywhere else. Now, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, Quebec, and the Maritimes are all showing signs of slowing down. Only Newfoundland and Labrador is in full-on seller's market mode, though CREA reports that is also expected to taper. And today, CREA has also advised its sales forecast down for 2026, given the weakness we've been seeing in the first half of the year. As for prices, the nationwide benchmark price in Canada fell 3.6% compared to June of last year, but stayed flat compared to last month.
Maybe even one of the biggest milestones of all was prices, in particular in markets in Ontario and BC, for the most part, weren't falling anymore. And that's the first time since before the tariffs were announced that we were in that situation. So another important milestone, if you're a first-time buyer, you want to sort of know that the asset you're buying isn't falling in value. And that's another one that we've hit in June.
CREA says one of the trends they're seeing playing out since the beginning of the year is buyers and sellers are seeing more eye to eye between what a property is listed for and what it sells for. For mortgage holders, those with a variable rate, economists are widely predicting the Bank of Canada will keep the interest rate steady. That announcement is expected later this morning. Angie Seth, CBC News, Toronto.